Hello everyone, very warm welcome to another video. Myself Vinay Kumar GB. I'm sure by now you are a little bit familiar with me because of my few videos, and now I'm getting more comfortable making videos with only camera in front, mobile in front, and nobody. It's very difficult, but I'm getting more familiar, and I hope to do more videos on answer writing, essay writing, and of course the ethics. We will continue that. And today's video is particularly about clearing your doubts with respect to the programs we launched few days ago for civil services examination 2021. We have been receiving so many emails, so many calls, and of course so many comments on YouTube and everywhere with respect to how to go about this test series. And let me thank you from myself and on behalf of our team for your tremendous response, and that has been so encouraging that we are all charged up. We have already started making arrangements to make these programs very successful, and the most important aspect is to maintain the consistency. I always believe that if we are consistent with respect to our programs, you will be naturally consistent in following them. So that is another key to keeping you consistent. So that is always there in our mind, and thanks to your support and encouragement, and so many people are subscribing. And even last year also we had one of the highest subscriptions both for IPM and prelim test series. And if the exam was conducted on time, like May 31st, we would have definitely seen many happy faces, those who solved our test series, really scoring very good marks. I am very confident. Of course, it always depends on how you make use of the test series. For example, I keep telling, if you can revise 3-4 times all the test series, you will easily score. Just by subscribing to Insight Test Series, you will never pass. Subscribing, then using the test series, again revising them again and again will definitely yield result. So that has been the case. I was excited that the final result would come and the prelims would happen, and I wanted to get the feedback. I'm sure when the exam finally gets conducted, thousands of people who have enrolled and thousands of people who gave our open marks, and more than 10,000 people gave our open mark, they will definitely have an extra edge and they will confidently give and clear prelims. I'm pretty sure about it. Now coming to this particular uh, Insta courses, the word Insta we are using again and again to show the urgency, and also there is something behind it. We will reveal when the time comes, and more about the sense of urgency, the sense of consistency, and we cannot delay things anymore, because the world is moving fast. People needs guidance fast, steady guidance which is also instant. So that is kind of logic behind using these Insta courses. First, let me start with how many courses we have started. We have started 4 courses. One is textbook based prelims test series, then another one is subject wise prelims test series, then year long mains test series, and of course our very popular integrated prelims cum mains test series for 2021. Now I'll just briefly speak about textbook based. Why we launched it last year. We bifurcated our test series into two. One is textbook based and another one is subject wise. The logic behind it was, so earlier when we had only one test series, so which was first based on NCERT textbooks, then moved to standard textbooks. So we would frame questions on class 6th and 7th textbooks, and all the textbooks, not like categorizing only history, geography, like that. So the freshers got confused, and also veterans, or people who are repeating their attempt, they were also kind of confused. There are two categories of aspirants broadly. One who wants to do completely all their textbooks and then move to giving exams and all. So another category is that from the beginning itself they are more comfortable reading topic wise. First they want to complete history, then they want to move to geography. So it kind of gives them sense of fulfillment, sense of completion of syllabus step by step. So that is one category is there, and another category they want to complete NCERT first, and then they move to other standard textbooks. So because that broad category of students were visible, so we bifurcated. So textbook wise, for example, if you are in the final year of your college, or if you want to start right now the UPSC examination preparation, we would recommend you to go with textbook based, because that will help you study NCERTs step by step. Sixth you will finish, seventh you will finish, and by November December you will finish all NCERT textbooks. Then you move to advanced textbooks, and you also have the option of, once you complete all the textbooks, you can move to subject based test series. So in the subject based test series, first you will do with say like for few weeks you will do only geography, then you will do economy, then you will do environment, polity, agriculture. All the broad topics that are there in the prelim syllabus are divided into broad topics, and we are giving tests. So this test series, why you should join is that it gives you a timetable, 1 year long timetable, where every week or every once in 10 days you are given particular topics to study, and they keep you busy, they keep you hooked to the syllabus, and there is no distraction of anything. And in addition to this, in both prelims subject wise and textbook wise, we are giving 10 main self study questions. So these questions are purely based on what you study in that week, and based on that you should write answer writing. And if you are in the offline center, you can come to any of our mentors, and you can show them. That is we are doing regularly. You can bring those answers, we will evaluate those answers. However, very few people write these answers because freshers have that fear. Personally, I would recommend you to start from day one. For example, if you read 6th class history, we give some basic questions on that. You try to, if not out of 10 answers, write 3-4 answers and come and show them. We will tell you how to improve that. And this year we have removed online and offline distinction, which means you can enroll online, and you can also now and then for test, if you want to give offline, you can come and give offline in Bangalore, Hyderabad and Delhi centers. And if you enroll offline also, you will get online features also, the entire feature. Earlier offline students were not getting online features, so that distinction is there. There is a button which says that you can go for either offline or online in front of every test. So once you can log into dashboard and see it, then you can come fix a slot for offline test, give it, and get the same result, get the same features. So when you come for offline, you can bring your answers, and you can show to when I am there in the office, for example in Bangalore or in Delhi, you can show me also. And there are more than 20-25 around 25 faculty and mentors are there, you can show to anyone. So this is about prelims test series. And year-long mains test series is for those people who have written mains, and they want to just continue with answer writing, mainly focus their preparation on answer writing. They need more answer writing practice, so that they can complete entire paper in 3 hours with quality answers. So that is one category of people. And there are also people, maybe for example, if somebody has taken prelims test previously, if somebody has finished their standard textbooks, basic books, everything, they may want to move to answer writing. So in this answer writing, our target is to give within 7 days, maximum within 10 days, we give completely evaluated copy. And this year, you can call the mentors and discuss your answers also. And we have already mentioned in the article the criteria, the parameters we use in evaluation. So I'm happy that we have separate evaluation center, and so they have tremendously kept their discipline, and gave all the evaluated copies 99% of the times within 10 days, most of the times within 7 days. And moreover, what was the prominent feature was the detailed commenting that was done in the answer booklets, where one could easily see where they were making mistakes and all. So it is all there, on the website. You can read the details. So entire year you will be writing these exams. These are all full length 20 questions papers. Though we mentioned sectional, these are all like 20 questions. and it is like writing full length exam. So they are based on topic wise. So that is about year long. Now coming to the IPM, integrated prelims cum mains. So last year we launched this program and with the scholarship and all. So this year we wanted to do scholarship because of COVID and all. We are not able to conduct offline examination at least till I think July or August. So that is one thing which prevented. So we thought, and also we wanted to give that 50% off to girls, and then we thought it's difficult, differentiate who is male, female, and all those things. It results in many technical problems and all. So, but moving one step ahead of it, we will be doing the same, like 50% off we are going to give for all women candidates if they join our online classes. So there is going to be online guidance program similar to offline guidance program, full-fledged classroom program that is there, and also core batch will start immediately after prelims. There will be an entrance test, scholarship test for them, like where fees is bit high. Full waiving off of fees will be there for those who come in the top, say 50 or something like that. And also for Insta classes there will be an examination because it has limited seats. We will be able to properly scrutinize who is male, female with getting documents and all. So that we'll be planning in 1 or 2 weeks. Coming back to IPM, so there are so many doubts. For example, how to manage my optional with the IPM, and how to manage my syllabus. So huge is the syllabus, which looks very bulky in the timetable. I will give you 1 or 2 tips. For example, if for the IPM first test, integrated prelims cum mains is where you have to you will study only those things which are prescribed in the syllabus, which is kind of integrated both for prelims and mains. So you don't have to study separately for prelims, you don't have to study separately for mains. Whatever you study, the same thing will be thoroughly tested through 100 questions in prelims, through 20 questions in the mains test, and which will be completely evaluated, and the feedback is given. The highlight of the program is the mentorship. So we have appointment system in your dashboard. Whenever you want, you can just click the button, ask for a slot, and the mentor will call you back. So that is the system we have and it really worked very well last year. And this year, because of COVID, we couldn't do last set of videos for IPM. We are doing them, and by Monday, Tuesday, all the videos will be uploaded for those pending IPM tests. And so that is about IPM. Now coming to your doubts, how to manage optional. For example, if you are completely fresher and wants to move to IPM, in the beginning it is going to be a little bit difficult. But what I would suggest is, because there is still 1.5 month time is there to start with IPM, you can immediately start by preparing for optional. So you can give 5 to 6 hours for optional. So decide it fast which optional you want to take, and 5 to 6 hours you give only for optional, do nothing else. Complete as many topics as possible. If possible, complete entire paper one of your optional. So study if possible whole day. That is one option. So let us assume that you don't want to do that. What you need to do is that we suggest you to study at least for 10 hours. So every day you will have to keep 2 hours for option, minimum 2 hours, like optional like mathematics and other technical. You may need 4 to 6 hours. So I would recommend not to go with IPM. If your optional is mathematics or something, you can go with year-long test series and other test series, only prelims or something, which is not hectic, which is where you need to focus more on optional because it demands more time. If it is humanities optional, definitely join IPM. You can manage the optional with 2 to 3 hours. What you need to do is that you will have to segregate entire optional into topic wise. Say paper 1, you say that today for 2 to 3 hours I will study topic 1. Like that you prepare a timetable for 5 to 6 months, where after every completion, after every 5-6 topics, you solve previous year question papers. If you don't want to join optional test series, you can solve previous year question papers once in a week. Maybe Sunday you can allot only for doing that. So Monday to Friday you study for optional 2 to 3 hours. Saturday you revise that and give a test on Sunday. and remaining almost 7 to 8 hours is only for IPM now. So IPM plus current affairs, so where you can watch ICANN video for half an hour to 45 minutes to cover current affairs, solve current affairs quiz on the website, and you will have to write at least 1 or 2 secure answers that will consume another 2 hours. So here like say 3-4 hours is gone, another like 4 hours is entirely for IPM. Here you don't have to segregate between prelims and mains. Whatever you study, the same thing is going to be tested. But the question is, will you be able to complete entire syllabus in these 4 hours or 5 hours? For this, the tip I want to give is that you don't have to study each and everything that is there in the syllabus. For example, say the modern India is the topic. Say entire modern India is the topic for the next test. After 10 days, you will have to study modern India. Of course, we have divided that. Now, what will you study? I would recommend you to first go with all the previous year questions on modern India, and anything that was there in current affairs related to modern India, first complete them. First day you make a list of all those topics which are very important, very important. For example, modern India, there is always a almost every alternative year or every year there is a question on Gandhian philosophy, Gandhian approach, or Gandhian practices, and Gandhian personality itself. So I would study for 4 to 5 hours first on Mahatma Gandhi, not spend too much time on British policies and all those things, right? And there is always a question on a personality, which is mostly a centenary or anniversary of some personality, which is in the news. Of course, apart from that, that there were very important personalities. So the UPSC divides either it goes with one individual personality or a group of based on the identity. For example, role of women, role of British officers, or role of expatriates, role of and industrialist or capitalist, or role of farmers, or role of revolutionaries, like that. So this group of individuals. So broadly you can study like that also. So you will have to don't go with textbook approach of studying from chapter 1 to last chapter. It's a useless exercise. You will have to be very smart, identify, first study those impactful topics, very important topics, which we call is in prelims footprints. Like from previous year they take a clue that okay, last year we asked about Gandhian ideology, let us ask more about his certain practices, or practicality of his practices or something. So you will have to think in that direction and study like that. What will happen is that current affairs you will do, the secure will cover, ICANN will cover. With respect to static, these identification of important topics will minimize the burden. If there is 10 days gap, 9, 7, 8 days, you 4 to 5 hours you complete the syllabus. 9th day, again don't try to complete, study new things. 9th day you revise everything, remember whatever you have studied till 8th day. Again on 10th day give the IPM mains test. After another 1 day gap, revise for prelims, the same thing, and then give the prelims examination. See, what it does is that it completely unburdens you, simplifies your preparation in the sense that you are not distracted. You don't have that burden of giving prelims test and separately. You will see improvement. We have seen more drastic improvement in IPM students in prelims course than only prelims people or only in mains people. That is because even when you study integrated with integrated approach, writing answers, writing essays, and studying from mains point of view while also preparing for prelims actually helps you remember more stuff, because in the 20 question test you will have to recall so many facts. Obviously you will come with remembering so much that translates into better scores. So it all comes down to what kind of personality you have. Like even if you're a fresher, you want to start with, if you have this agenda of to clear this exam in only one attempt. So I believe IPM, again I am telling you, it's not about the course, it's always about you. Can you make use of this program? Can you squeeze it, and squeeze in the sense I keep giving kind of analogies. Like if it is sugar cane, like you squeeze it till you get that sugarcane juice as much as possible, like the program should be squeezed, in the sense use everything that is there in the program, the test, the mentorship, the feedback, the guidance, and apart from this, we have initiated this compulsory review of two secure answers. So in the dashboard, if you write two secure answers, if you just post them, we are guaranteeing the evaluation of those two secure answers on every day. It's just like open secure platform, but within your dashboard, our faculty like assign people. Actually, we have assigned people who have at least given one or two interview and who used to score very good marks in GS. So they will be reviewing your answers. So that will give you motivation to continue answer writing. It's about as we keep telling, keep you motivated, keep you consistent, keep you busy, so that whatever pressures are there, whatever distractions that people are creating around you, you are not worried about them, you are not bothered about them, so that you have this complete closure with respect to which program to follow, and you are focused only on that program. And writing 20 answers from the beginning, say like you start from mid July, I assure you, like you will write only 6 to 7 answer if it is in the beginning, but I assure you that after 2-3 months you will start writing 15-16 answers. But the key is consistency. You should never lose focus, you should never doubt your abilities, you should never doubt the program also. And like I don't know about others, like we are more approachable. So if you walk into our institution, it is always open, it is people are approachable, and I am also approachable. You can come anytime, you can talk to us, and instead of keeping yourself discussing with others, commenting here and there, you can directly come, directly approach us. And also I want to tell that we are not like 100% perfect or anything. I believe that nobody can be 100% perfect. Now and then small mistakes will be there, like delay in video uploading, delay in synopsis or something. Then we immediately take care of that. Once we get the feedback, immediately we take care of that. And when we are ourselves is not satisfied with the quality, then the delay happens. Now for example, if you ask somebody to make synopsis, the quality is not good, that we cannot put you in front, no? We delay it for 2-3 days, then again we give the best what we can give to you people. So this is about the programs. Now another doubt is that should I join after prelims or should I join, because we don't know the prelims date, when to join. If you are sure about giving attempt in 2021, if you are not giving this attempt, don't wait for prelim result, final result or anything. That is completely futile. Start immediately. Choose whichever program you want. And also there is option of not choosing any program also. Our website offers so much of content, but that doesn't bring discipline, because there is no fixed timetable kind of anything. So these programs you are paying like 6,000, 8,000, 9,000. Like we have bifurcated prelim test series into only CSAT, only GS. If you don't want CSAT, if you want to give 2,500 rupees less, you can go with only GS papers. So it is 9,500 for combined GS and CSAT. So from today onwards, you will get only GS. That option is also available. You can enroll, you can subscribe to that. And you also have that option, like we are not forcing you, and it's always up to you, to your wisdom, to choose which program you want. But running a free website with so much of content, it is only our request from our side, our team. Like our team is big now, so we are spending so much to keep things consistent, to things qualitative. So your little support will definitely help us stay consistent, and we will try to do maximum justice to your preparation, to your money. I know the value of your money. I came from humble background. I've grown so much. So I was also an aspirant like you before, and understand what difficulties you face as a student. Living in a very small room, living in a very limited budget, then living in a very pressure-like situation, not able to ask money from parents. So we understand. We empathize with those things. So we are considerate about these things. So that is why we want you to engage as much as possible with these programs. For example, secure, like to one question we are more than 420 comments were there, like on 22nd of May. So many people are making use of these initiatives, and there have been so many toppers, rank 2, 3, 4 before, who used our free initiatives to get very good ranks as well. So, but they were like, exceptions, extraordinary individuals who had previous guidance. It's not like, completely fresher. They had taken previously test series. So next year they were confident that they could make use of free initiatives and went with these programs. So if you're a fresher, it's a very good investment, either prelim test series. And my suggestion is that if you're a slow reader, go with textbook wise test series, complete your textbooks, then move to subject wise test series. Maybe then you can join mains test series after prelims. So another option is that you complete textbooks as much as possible by November. We will be launching another main test series in the November December autumn test series, Insights autumn test series. Mains, you can join main test series then, and do answer writing practice. So that is there. And IPMP is kind of reasonable for 30 tests. Some people charge 26 to 28,000. So here, like, there are more than 50 tests, main test, full length test, around 20 tests, and essay test series is integrated with it, ethics is integrated with it, and prelim CSAT and prelim GS is integrated with it, and you have early bird offer. So 29,000 is a very good investment provided you make use of it. So that is the only catch here. So if you're not going to, so ask yourself, are you going to spend this money and going to make use of this program? If you are not going to make use of this program, my sincere request, don't join the program, don't waste your money. If you think that, okay, you will definitely make use of the program, make use of all the tests, you will write all the tests. And if you write all the tests from test 1 to last test before prelims with minimum of 10-20% marks, you will get free mains test series. We charge like 26-28,000 for main test series. That is completely free. Whatever money you give for IPM is kind of, you are getting it back. So these are the few things, that is the one of the best feature of IPM. It's not about giving back you money or anything. The intention behind this particular offer is that we want you to again stay consistent. We want you to write all the tests. Usually what happens, if less copies come to us, we should be happy. Like, I'm not that kind of person. We are not that kind of people. We want everyone to write. We want everyone's copies to be evaluated and sent to you so that you go on improving. So that is because if more, we believe that if you write every test, again there is a selfishness. If you write all the tests, then you will definitely go on to get a rank in this attempt or next attempt. So then of course we can claim your success and then again grow. It's not like completely altruistic sense thing or anything. So both good interest is there, and at the same time it's not bad interest or anything. It's in your support only. So we want you to stay consistent. The consistency is the word here. So take a call on this thing, and it's kind of weird to make these kind of videos to promote to talk about this program. We wouldn't do before, but because I'm getting more comfortable with videos, more comfortable with interacting with you people, so making these videos and clarifying, mainly to clarify these doubts. Wish you all the best, and today evening I will post essay perspective video. We have given an interesting topic. Every Sunday we post essay topic. Take pen, paper, write immediately whatever comes to your mind. So then you can compare with the video and then post. Even in these essay, more than 300 comments are being posted on the website, and people are writing. If you are not writing, if you are not practicing enough, you should be knowing that there are so many people who are actually doing it. So the competition is, if some people are worried about uncertainty, there is also uncertainty. There is also another section of people who are not worried about uncertainty. They are making use and they are making progress. So the progress should be there in your preparation as well. Join these programs, any program, as soon as possible, and support us, support yourself, and best of luck. Thank you very much. Take care. Wish you all the best.